On this episode, I use a big hammer. I struggle with a tape measure. After that, I operate a forklift. Welcome back to a welder's journey. Today we have a dump trailer to repair. The dump trailer has been driving a little bit loose. That's because these leaf spring purchase are worn out. And it's my job to replace them. So sit back and enjoy the video. We are gonna start off by gouging one of the old leaf spring purchase of the differential. Sometimes the BFH is just the right tool for the job. Now that I got it off, I have to clean everything up and measure it to put it precisely where it needs to be. But first, we have the new pieces to assemble and weld. So let's get to it. I think I got it. Now it's time to weld it on. Okay, time to level everything up. Using the original mount on the other side, I'm able to set this one perfect as it needs to be, level and straight as an arrow. Okay, that's one side welded on. Let's do it again on the other side. Okay, it's done. Everything is welded up, cleaned up, and ready to go. This differential is done. You know what's the best news about it? I still have to do that one. As you can see, I still have a lot of work to do. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.